Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, use recursion to create a countdown. In the previous challenge, you learned how to use recursion to replace a for loop. Now let's look at more complex function that returns an array of consecutive integers, starting with 1 through the number passed to the function. As mentioned in the previous challenge, there will be a base case. The base case tells the recursive function whether when it is called and when it is no longer needs to call itself. It is a simple case where the return value is already known. There will also be recursive call which executes the original function with different arguments. If the function is written correctly, eventually the base case will be reached. For example, say you want to write a recursive function that returns an array containing the number 1 through n. This function will need to accept an argument n representing the final number. Then it will need to call itself with progressively smaller values of n until it reaches 1. You could write the function as follows. We can see how it prints. At first, this seems counterintuitive since the value of n decreases. We can see n is passed here, then n is the value of n is decreasing. But the values of final array are increasing. This happens because the push happens last after the recursive calls has been returned at the point where n is pushed into the array means count up n minus 1 has already been evaluated and returned. So 1, 2, 3 like that to n minus 1. Let's see the task. We have defined a function countdown with one parameter n. The function should use recursion to return an array containing the integers n through 1 based on n parameter. If the function is called with a number less than 1, the function should return an empty array. For example, calling this function with n equal to 5 should return the function 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, similar to shown in example, we can do if n is less than 1, then return empty array. Else we have const count array equal to count down, and in countdown n minus 1, and count array dot unshift, right? And so return count array. It should work, I think. Let's check it. Console.log count down 5 0 1 2. It's working. So let's remove it and let's run the tests, and it's working. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.